Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your Jabra Elite 10 with your MacBook. You have to start by click at the Bluetooth icon at the top, or if you haven't it, just go to the control panel and click at the Bluetooth here. Then go to the settings and now open the charging case, remove your earbuds from the charging case and then press and hold both of the touch areas until it enters to pairing mode. So just press and hold, and now it should, yeah, we can see it at the device list. So just click connect near to it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!